Are your iPhone videos looking too bright or overexposed, especially when using HDR? Blown out footage often results from incorrect settings or lighting conditions, but it can be fixed. This guide will show you how to adjust your iPhone settings and avoid overexposed HDR videos. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off HDR recording. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Camera. Tap Record Video. Locate HDR video and toggle it off to prevent automatic HDR processing. Solution 2. Adjust exposure before recording. Open the Camera app. Switch to the video mode. Tap and hold on to your subject until you see the yellow focus box. Drag the sun icon next to the box downward to reduce exposure manually. Solution 3. Edit overexposed videos. Open the Photos app and select the overexposed video. Tap the Adjust icon from the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Adjust. From here, swipe right and adjust the exposure, highlights, and shadows slider to balance the lighting. Hit Done to save your edits to improve the video's appearance. By following the steps, you can fix and prevent overexposed HDR videos on your iPhone. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.